Why does it say that? Why does it say that? Oh my god. Wait. Actually, why does it say that? Why does stream elements say that? Okay, that's a stream elements thing. At least. Not a me issue this time. Hey, Singabane. Hey, Sularin. Hello, hello.
Sularin just subscribed with Prime.
My mic low? Like, I think I'm gonna give up on streaming. If every time I stream, something else is broken. It's quiet? Alright, I think that's better probably. Okay. How is it going? Okay, so now we figure out the vertical stream thing. All right, turn it off. Go into settings. Click update streams. And then go live. Oh. I think it's working. No. Wait, did that just like restart? Did that just restart the Twitch? Just restarted Twitch. I give up. There's literally no rhyme or reason. Let's see. Oh yeah, maybe that's the problem. I'm a statue? Yeah, I'm trying to figure things out here. I'm having that issue where like it's the vertical stream is when I try to like restart it, it's like restarting Twitch for some reason. But it's like making a new instance of itself. So it's like it's really annoying. Okay, I think I figured it out though. I think I figured out what the issue is. I think YouTube won't allow the same name for the same for the stream. Okay, I think that's the problem. Okay, everything's good now though. I think we figured it out. God, why is just everything is just always broken? I don't change anything. Alright. Video games. Let's make video games or something. What's that? What's that little button? Sessions. That's new. Hey. Thank you, Zepic. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. It's a hassle, but it's worth it, unfortunately. Okay, what were we looking at? I can't even remember. I don't even remember. I love technology. All right, so yeah, I was gonna look at the recipe weights stuff. So inside learn, okay, so it should already teach the player recipes that that are part of like the biome that they're in. Let's see if this is working right. So it also goes by worth, goes by group bonus. AC side. How's it going? What engine? I don't know, just whatever AI tells you to use. So let's look at this. Let's take a look here. Let's reset milestone progress. Crafting recipe. Yeah, that's the one I want to do. Oops. She had I need to go through this at some point. This is, I mean, I'm kind of stress testing it. It gets very laggy at the bottom. Doesn't matter, just pick a random one. What was I doing here? I already have scrolls. Cork. Pitch. Granite knife. Granite campfire. Cooked blind fish. Sharp granite. Slime glue. Sharp glass. Glass bottle of purified fresh water. Talcum powder. I mean, that all looked really good to me. I think this came from like a comment. Where just the scrolls are made from material based on the biome and have relevant recipes to that biome, so you don't get recipes for stuff you straight up can't craft in that area. I guess what they're asking is a little bit different. Maybe I can just weight this higher. Kind of have to see how this works. Kind of a broad question. How do you originally get started in coding website game development years ago? Just being a bored teenager. Wanting to make things. Did you also have a grade 8 class where they made you open Notepad and start using HTML tags like blink and marquee? No, we didn't really have. We had like a I think starting in grade 6 or 7, we just had like, our school was like too poor for like a computer lab or anything like that. We had a computer, we had like 2 computers in the classrooms. And we would like cycle off it for like schoolwork and stuff like that. We didn't have like really, at least like when I was in grade 6 through 8, we didn't really have anything like that. But I did it at home, basically. I did that part of my exploration at home. Probably starting in grade 6, I started doing web stuff. Got myself a Fortune City site. It was like the cool version of GeoCities. Maybe not. I wonder if there's like anything that... I think I've looked this up before. Fortune City. Web host? I don't even know what you'd call it. Oh, there's even a Wikipedia article on it. I think I do remember that. Okay. It's just not loading for some reason. All good. Yeah, at that time, I probably would have used front page early on. Is there something wrong with my internet? Isn't that what it was called? Front page? Everything's like loading really slow. Yeah, it's called front page. When did this come out? 1995. So that kind of tracks. 1995. Yeah, it would have been probably would have been 97. From page 97. That's what I first used. That looks about right. Yeah. Then he probably moved to like a... That looks more like it actually. I might have started with this one. Before this was obviously just like all Notepad, but then I moved to this at some point. And then eventually I moved to Dreamweaver. But that wasn't until like the 2000s. Probably. Or it wasn't called Dreamweaver, it was called was it? Maybe it was always called Dreamweaver, even when it was in... $1997. Yeah, so that kind of checks out too. Yeah, it used to be Macromedia Dreamweaver. Okay, then we weight it by the difficulty of the recipe. Let's see. Action learn recipe of island multiplier. So it's only 8. Okay, we times it. We times all of them by 8. Hey Glenda, I saw you making Wayward 3D. Will that be a thing? No, that's probably not. They wanted us to learn Visual Basic in school. Yeah, I took Visual Basic in high school. We used it all throughout all the computer science classes. That's what I built all my early games on. So, I mean, it might be just the fact that this is not high enough, possibly. Action learn recipe worth penalty multiplier. Mm-mm. Take a look at this, actually. Oh, thank you. Does this even make sense? Adding recipe, translation name of, with weight, base, group bonus. That actually looks legit. Thank you. Yeah, the 3D Wayward thing was just kind of like mostly a joke. Uh-oh. I don't like it when it does this. This usually means bad things are gonna happen. Uh-oh. Okay, close it. Close everything. It must be code that's doing this, because like look, it's frozen. It must be a code thing. Oh, hello? Is everything broken right now? Oh, everything's just broken. Like everything's broken. Wait, I'm still streaming? OBS is completely frozen. Except for the chat preview. Task manager does not open. God damn. Why? I need to build a new computer. How can it be that task manager, like Alt Control Delete, does not bring anything up? How is this possible? Oh. Something's updated for a second. I just wish I could, like, it's almost gonna work, but oh. Okay. Oh, what? It said preparing security options. I don't know what thing that was on Windows. Okay, Task Manager is open. Let's try this again. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Seems stable-ish now. Why would you say that, Himabond? Why are you like this? I don't like the fact this is running so slow still. Cancel. Let me task manager it. Make sure it's actually gone. Oh, task manager is not running again. Okay, maybe... What is it? I think it actually is Edge. For some reason, something called Microsoft Compatibility Telemetry is using most of my CPU right now. I love that for my computer. What is that? What is that? Yeah, it's like literally spyware. Hey, once more. This is what you get for using Edge, guys. Don't be like me. Man, I'm blaming Edge. It might be something else, but it just seems every time I've opened it now, it broke something. When you haven't even opened it, yeah, that's what I've been going in the task manager here and trying to close every single instance of it. It's like impossible. There's like so many. What? Okay, what is this telemetry thing? Because it is taking up like a lot of resources. Okay. One more try. Oh, my start my start button no longer works. Okay. My search button in Windows no longer works. Is this a thing that works? This seems to work. Okay, that's interesting. Now it's frozen again. Oh. I feel like I might have to restart my computer because like with how bad everything is running right now. I don't know if it's salvageable. I'm gonna try one more time. All right. Well, I'll be right back, guys.